Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are the most welcome. And today it's very easy protective hairstyle. You can call it halo or you can call it crown, wherever. I start with very fresh hair, which I already applied leave-in conditioner because I'm going to stay with this hairstyle for more than 4 days. And I make sure my hair is very juicy. I divided these lower parts because there is the place my halo style is going to start. And I go ahead by applying eco gel on my hair. And I make sure all my hair slick down very well. I use my finger to divide small section because I want all my hair to get enough gel. I continue to divide my hair in small sections and apply gel because I hope my hair can slick down as much as I can. After I apply the gel, I use my brush to brush my hair to make sure all the hair lie down very well. I take my brush and continue to brush my hair to make sure all hair lie down very well. And I applied little gel on my edges to make my edges look beautiful. After I make sure all my hair slick down very well, I go ahead and grab my scarf, tie on my hair to wait my hair to become dry for the next step. You can tie by any way, just make sure the scarf holds your head very well. Now my hair is dry. And this is how my hair look after become dry. You can use any other brand, but I use Expression because it's long enough for me to achieve this hairstyle. I braided my Expression hair and this is how it looks like. I go ahead by cut all excess hair and make sure all my extension looks very neat. I use this rubber band to tie on my natural hair and I will use bobby pin to secure my hair braiding. I make sure my braiding cover my natural hair. Please and please, you must be careful when you are using bobby pin. Make sure you're not hurt yourself. You can make choice which position you want. Either you want more fronts or a little back. It's okay as long as you see this is going to fit you very well. As you can see, I tried as much as I can to cover this back section. I keep adding bobby pin to secure my hair braiding more, and I make sure I hold my extension very well. And I move to front section and I add some bobby pin to right and left side. I tried to hide those bobby pin under my extension. I continue to fix my extension and put on perfect position. And this is the end of our style. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and be the member of the family. I love you so much. See you on the next video. Bye bye.